Hi guys, I welcome you all to another video of Study English with Tina. So in today's video, I am going to show you an app in which we can open our new Broadway book and it's of Oxford. So the app is also of Oxford books. So you can open any Oxford book in that app. So the app's name is Oxford Education. Now let's move on to the screen of the app. See, now we can click on register over here. After clicking here, we will get the second screen. On the second screen also we have to again click register here. Then we will get the third screen. We have to fill our details and we will get login to the app. Okay, so let me click register here. Now here the second screen has been opened. You can see some changes are there, means the screen is looking a little different, but it is again showing the same thing that was showing on the first screen. So this is the second screen. We have to again click on register here. So we can see it's asking some details and you can see that what are these details. Now let me click on next after filling my details. I have clicked on next. Now this is asking these details. I will be filling these details and moving on next and then only showing you the third one. Now here is the third screen. Let me explain you the third screen properly. So on the third screen, first it is asking ISBN. So what is this? This is something this. So whichever book you want to open in this app, you can just give this code. So there are numbers written. So here it is in the image they have not given the numbers of the book. They have just given XXXXX. Okay, then it's asking am I a robot? Then it's asking do you agree the policy, whatever. You just have to click OK. Then here also OK, and then give the ISBN code of our book. Okay, now let me fill these and then I will show you the screen where the app will open. So here I have opened the screen, and from here we can search whichever book we have open. Then we can add a book over here by adding the USBN. Then we can see the downloaded ones which we have downloaded. I have downloaded all of them. Here's my book. I have just not downloaded these primary pages. Then I have downloaded these all. If you want to download whole the book, we can just click on download all, or if we want to delete all, we can click on delete all. And then if we have downloaded any one, now this is not downloaded, I will click on this will not open, but I have downloaded all of these, means leaving this I have downloaded all of them. So if I am clicking on this will open because this is downloaded. Now we can listen to this, like this first paragraph. We can pause it also by clicking on the top. Okay, it's the pause button and the play button. Then we can play it. So this I have explore this app and we can add some the page name. Okay, now we can add notes too. Then here I am writing something. After writing I'll show you. So I have written some notes about it, means a little about it of this chapter. And now where will I click? I will click over here. Okay, over here. Okay, you will not be able to see it clearly, but I am clicking over here. Okay, I am seeing to click on over here and it's saved. Now when I will click here, I will come on to this notes. Okay, now I can also see its video. In some chapters there are videos, but of some there are not. Okay, some chapters videos are there in, but of some there are not. Okay, so guys, I noticed that you were not able to listen the video, so now I'm going to make you listen it. Okay, so if
Thelma
you are
caught my
able to
attention with a wave of her arm from the beach.
now here I've paused it and I think you will able to listen the video. Well, in next video I will show this whole video to you. Okay, now let's listen the audio, only the audio. Okay,
Thelma caught my attention with a wave of her arm from the beach.
so now like this. Okay, and now I was telling you that we can delete a chapter or download a chapter. So if I delete this chapter, but I mean the poem, now I have delete. So it will not delete, means it will not like it will show over here, but it will be deleted. Now here I've clicked. Okay, I have clicked over there, but the problem is I'm clicking this, but it's not opening because it's not downloaded. Now if I download it, now here I have downloaded this, so this will download, and now if I click over here, it will get download, it will open. Okay, so we can see the video of this.
Barter by Sarah.
Okay, and we can also listen it.
Barter by Sarah Teasdale. Life has loveliness to sell. All
Now you will be able to listen this too. Okay, that's it. Now here I have not downloaded the Prime pages. Okay, now I was telling you about this plus button. So when I click this plus button, if I want to open one more book of Oxford, I can just put the ISBN code and the new book will open. Okay, and if we put the ISBN code, we have to simply click on submit. Like here we will click the ISBN code. Now if we want to search something which we have downloaded, so we can search also. Okay, new Broadway. Okay, Broadway literature reader class 7, search. So it will now come. Actually if we, okay, just a second, I'm going to explain it well. So here I have opened it. So if I search Thelemare, then it will come over here. Search, it is coming. Okay, but if we want to simply see those files which we have downloaded, we can click on downloads and see it. So guys, you will surely say that why I am telling you the same thing again and again. I want to explain it to you well. So now I've told you about all downloads and recently viewed. So now in all it will only show our book. In downloads it will show the chapters, and in recently viewed it will show those which are recently viewed by us. And in favorites I have not made anyone favorite. So now if I am making this Thelma Ray one favorite, so I have to click on this star. Okay, so I'm clicking, it is starred. So let me see it on my favorites. So here it's starred and it is showing on favorites. And now if I click on English, it will show my English book which I have opened with the help of ISBN. Okay, and it will also show all the books in all whichever we have opened, and in English it will show English books. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. So like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and to press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. यदि मेरा चैनल अच्छा लगता है तो आप लोगों को पता ही होगा कि कमेंट्स क्या हैं, तो कमेंट्स तो क्लोज हैं, आपको कहाँ कमेंट करना है, मीन्स मेरे को जो भी आपको कहना है वो आप मेरे को ईमेल कर सकते हैं. एंड नाउ लेट मी सी यू इन माई अनदर वीडियो. सो तब तक के लिए स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. जय हिंद, बाय बाय.